poll. He conducted that for Bryant University's Hasbro Institute for Public Leadership. It shows that 66% of the people who participated in that poll, Rhode Island voters, agree with the pace of reopening here in the Ocean State. On a related note, social distancing hitting plateaus. According to a new Gallup poll, only about 39% of Americans say that they always practice social distancing. The survey also showed 48% of respondents think the COVID-19 outbreak is only getting worse. Highest rating since the start of the pandemic, by the way. Health officials continue to urge people to wear masks and practice social distancing. Governor Raimondo has pushed her executive order about wearing face guards into August. It was supposed to expire on July the 4th. She has extended that. It's 9 minutes after 8 o'clock now. President Trump made no public appearances yesterday and left the White House press secretary as the messenger for his administration. Here's more from Fox's Gurnell Scott.
Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany says the president was not briefed about Russian bounties on U.S. troops, and right now those rumors are just that.
In effect, there are dissenting opinions from some in the intelligence community with regards to the veracity of what's being reported.
Also on statues and monuments, the president says he will protect them.
The DOJ has arrested over 100 anarchists for rioting and destruction of federal property.
McEnany says the president believes whether the statues invoke good or bad periods in history, they remain part of American history. Gurnell Scott, Fox News.
Yesterday, the IRS announced it's not extending the tax filing deadline again. The tax agency announced yesterday that returns are due by the extension deadline of July the 15th. But the IRS is encouraging people to file for an automatic extension until October 15th if they won't be able to meet the July 15th deadline. Traditional April 15th deadline was kicked down the road, pushed back because of the coronavirus pandemic, but it won't get pushed back again. 10 minutes after 8 o'clock, to the highways we go with John Hamblett into the traffic center, brought to us by ExpressPros.com.
Our busiest traffic through Pawtucket, 95 northbound, getting up from Lonsdale Avenue through the S-curves and towards the state line. Okay after that point, up towards Newport Avenue in South Attleboro. 610 connectors, quiet, just a little busy getting on to 95, a little cramped on 95 by the state offices. With your southern New England traffic, I'm John Hamblett.
Looking for an easier way to find your next job? It's time to get to know Express Employment Professionals. Visit ExpressPros.com to find one of over 830 locations to help support your workforce needs.
Here's the forecast, another sticky affair, too, and the threat of showers right throughout the day. Here's Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie.
Today is a mostly cloudy day with highs climbing into the upper 70s. An isolated shower is possible before noon, then scattered showers and thunderstorms pick up through the early to mid-afternoon. Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds with temperatures in the middle 70s and a few isolated storms. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Thanks very much. It is holding steady at 68, cloudy and muggy degrees. And coming up next as we head into Phase 3, how are people feeling about getting back out there? Getting back at it when it comes to going to the gym and what have you, and eating out. It's 8:11. Good morning.
Shop Lazy Boy at Cotty's Furniture and Mattresses.